evening, everybody. On behalf of Prime Video and Nadyadwala Grandson Entertainment, I am thrilled to entertain you tonight with this movie that is titled Bawaal. It's a story that deserves to be told.
To all of you for turning up, and thank you to the entire team of Bawaal for entrusting us with this.
This is the first film coming out of Nadyadwala Grandson that is going on OTT and worldwide in over 200 countries. This is a film that's rooted in the heart of India. Very excited to see the film with all of you. Thank you for coming.
We poured our heart, blood and soul and everything into this movie. It's our baby. We love it a lot. So it's over to the audience now. And thank you all for being here, and lots of love, and enjoy the movie, and then you all can tell us whether you liked it or not.
All I can say is July 21st को होने वाला है Bawaal.
बेटा माहौल ऐसा बनाओ कि लोगों को माहौल याद रहे, रिजल्ट नहीं.
Nitish has got it right once again.
I love the film. I think it's something very different.
It's an outstanding film.
The story is just so beautiful and so unique.
बहुत mind blowing film है. I loved it.
I think there are very few films that can make you laugh and cry at the same time, and this is definitely one such film.
Everything about the film is fabulous.
What I enjoyed the most is Janvi and Varun's performances. They acted so well.
Both Varun and Janvi really stole my heart.
They complement each other really super well. Both of them.
I think they've just hit out of the park, and everyone must go and watch this film.